Temper Zone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi. Activist investor Allied Investment Management has amassed a $5 billion stake in Honeywell International and is calling for the board to carve up the industrial giant. Honeywell is one of the few remaining industrial conglomerates in the world that hasn't been broken up due to investor pressure. In fact, Honeywell fought off a campaign to break it up back in 2017. The investment firm sent a letter 2 days ago to the board calling for a simplification of Honeywell's conglomerate structure. The letter points to an underperforming share price, claiming the company can only realise its full potential if it separates automation and aerospace. Elliott said the separation would result in share price gains between 51 and 75% over the next 2 years. In response to the letter, Honeywell said it welcomes shareholder feedback and looks forward to engaging with the firm. Earlier this month, Honeywell announced plans to spin off its advanced materials business into an independent, publicly traded company. This will be completed by early 2026. Honeywell Chair and CEO Vimal Kapur said the spin-off is the latest step in a plan he outlined in his first year in taking over the company. Locally, the big news this week was an acquisition by HVAC&R tools provider Fieldpiece Instruments. The company has acquired its master distributor here in Australia, Fieldpiece Australia. The acquisition establishes a direct corporate presence in Australia and a foundation for further expansion in the Asia Pacific region. The company is working to install a local team here and to explore further opportunities. The recruitment drive has already begun, and the company is looking for a general manager to lead the next phase of growth for the company. In product news, Trane Technologies has partnered with Autodesk to optimise sustainable commercial building design. The goal is to enable AI-assisted design by integrating Trane's Trace software with Autodesk Revit for engineers. Finally, Refrigerant Australia released a study on the rate of refrigerant leakage across 15 equipment types. It shows that leaks in Australia have plummeted from 20% per year in the early 2000s to 4% today. Except for one exception, commercial refrigeration, leaks are still stuck at around 15%. The leaks that remain can be attributed to poor design, poor quality equipment and materials, the use of components that are susceptible to leaking, substandard installation practices, poor maintenance, and failure to correctly remove refrigerants when equipment reaches its end of life. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temper Zone. Thank you for watching.